Hello friends, today we will see conditional handling using if else, if else statement. So let's go to the Eclipse. So in Java programming and automation testing, many times we come across where we have to check some conditions. So these conditions can be either checked by if, or we can use if else statement, or we can go with the multiple statement checking where we can use if else statement. So for example, there is a login page, and when the user is providing the correct username and password, then only the successful login will happen. So these conditions can be checked using the if statement. And so first let's see like how we can write the if statement. So I'm taking one simple example where we are checking whether any number is even, it is even or not. So uh, let's check a is even. So for that I'm writing one method. So public void tc, and inside that I am passing the number as an integer arguments. So int of a, and I'm checking that if a mod of 2 is equal to 0, then print number is a even number, right? So this method is written, and I've taken another class b, and there is one main method. Inside the main method, I am going to create an instance of a. So a of obj is equal to new of a. And so obj dot, I'm going to access the method tc, and here going to pass some number. So I have taken 10. Now check whether this 10 is even or not. So let's run it. Of course, this is an even number, so it will display number is an even number. You can take any other number, take as 12. This will also display that it is an even number. Let's run. Yeah, number is an even number. But suppose if I give the number as 11, so we know that 11, when it is divided by 2, then it will provide the remainder as 1. So it is basically not an even number. So let's execute it. So in the console, it has not displayed anything. Why? Because if you go to the A class and you see the TC method, here we have only written the if conditions, where we have checked A mod of 2 is equal to 0, then it should display the number is even number. But when A mod of 2 is not equal to 0, that we have not written. So for that, we can cover that using the else statement. So under the else, you will write as number is an odd number. So now, whenever you are interested only to check a single statement, then you can use if statement. But if you want to check the two statement where you want if this, else that. So in that case, you should use if else statement. So now since we have given in the B, we have passed the number as 11, which is not divided by 2 fully, and it gives the remainder as 1. So it should be an odd number. So since we have written the else condition, so under else condition we have given number is an odd number. So when we run it, it will display in the console as number is an odd number. See, number is an odd number. So in this way, we can check the if and if else statement. Now the third statement is if else. When there are multiple conditional checking, for example, you consider a number a, and this number we are interested whether it is a 0 or smaller than 0 or less or greater than 0. So here we are checking the three conditions. So in that case we can use if else statement. So for that I'm taking one more method, that is public void PC1, and again I'm going to pass the number as x as an integer, and under that I'm going to write the condition, and that so what we are interested to know if that x is smaller than 0 or equal to 0 or greater than 0. So here under the if I'm checking if x is smaller than 0, it should display number is smaller than 0. That is if the second conditional check is if x is greater than 0, and it will display the message that it is greater than 0. So greater than 0. And the third one, if not, then else. Its number is equal to 0. Now save, go to the B, and here I am just commenting this because now I'm interested to fetch the method obj.tc1, because in this we have written the code for multiple statement check. So under this tc1, first let's pass on the value 0. Now run it. It should display. So it should display that the number is equal to 0. But if it is, we have taken 10, definitely this is greater than 0, it should display that. So save it and then run. So now it has given number is greater than 0. And if we take as minus, sorry, if we take as minus 5, so this minus 5 we can see that it is smaller than 0. So run this. So it displays us number is smaller than 0. So in this way we can go for the multiple statement check. So in this we have just seen the conditional handling using the three statement if else, if else, if else. So hope you will like this session.